Modern apps look simple on the surface, but under the hood they're powered by a layered stack. In the next 3 minutes, let's walk through a practical, end-to-end blueprint, what each layer does, popular choices, and how the pieces fit for a resilient, scalable system. Presentation layer, UI/UX. This is where users live. Web and mobile frontends render views, capture input, and call backend APIs. Common stacks, React Angular, Vue.js for the web, Flutter, Swift, Kotlin for mobile, Tailwind CSS for fast styling. Goals, fast load, accessible design, predictable state management, and clean API contracts. Tips, ship component libraries, track performance budgets, and instrument with real user monitoring. Edge and delivery, optional but powerful. Before traffic reaches the app, the edge accelerates content and enforces security. Tools, CDNs and edge networks to cache static assets, terminate TLS, run edge functions, and filter bad traffic. Wins, lower latency, global reach, rate limiting, bot protection, and AIB testing at the edge. Integration layer, API. This is the front door to backend capabilities. Patterns, REST and GraphQL for request/response, gRPC for high-performance internal calls, WebSockets for real-time updates, API gateways for routing, auth, and quotas. Best practices, version APIs, define strong schemas, centralize auth/authorization, and apply zero-trust principles. Messaging and async processing, optional but essential at scale. When work doesn't have to be synchronous, go async. Components, message brokers and queues for decoupling services, background workers to process jobs, retries, and schedules. Use cases, sending emails, resizing images, event-driven workflows, buffering traffic spikes. Guidance, idempotent handlers, dead letter queues, observability on lag, and retry storms. Business logic layer. Your domain lives here, the rules, workflows, and policies that make the product valuable. Frameworks, Spring, Laravel, Express.js, Django, .NET Core. Pick one that fits the team and problem. Principles, clean architecture, clear boundaries, domain models, and exhaustive tests for critical flows. Data access layer, an abstraction between business logic and storage. Purpose, consistent queries, transactions, and caching without leaking database specifics everywhere. Tools, ORMs and query builders, Hibernate, Sequelize, SQLAlchemy, plus direct SQL for hot paths. Tips, avoid N+1 queries, use connection pooling, and introduce read replicas when necessary. Data storage layer, where truth lives. SQL, PostgreSQL, and MySQL for strong consistency, transactions, and relational modeling. NoSQL and analytical stores, document stores for flexible schemas, warehouses and lake platforms for analytics at scale. Practices, schema migrations, backups, PyTorch, encryption at rest, and careful indexing. Choose the storage engine for the access pattern, not the logo.